Hello, welcome to this checkmate in 2 puzzle from 1879. Black just has the king, 3 pawns and a knight. White has the king, pair of bishops, the pawn, knight, rook and queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving your bishop to b2 won't get you a mate in 2 unless black moves their king to d6, because then you can move your queen up to c7 to do the checkmate. Instead, black can take the bishop with their knight. Now you can check with the queen, but the king has an escape square. Then you can just move in through a checkmate in 3. Moving your queen to c7 and checking the black king won't get you a mate in 2 unless black decides to block their knight. Then you can checkmate. Instead, black can move the king to d4. You can then move the rook down to prevent the king escaping further. Black moves their knight away. You can checkmate in just 3 with the queen. Moving your queen to b4 is another one of the mates in 3, unless black moves to d4, because then you can checkmate in 2 with the bishop. Instead, black can take back the rook with their pawn. Now when you check the king with the bishop, the knight can just take it back. Now you can move the queen across to just mate in 3. Moving the queen to c3 doesn't get you a mate in 2. It's not even a mate in 3. The king can move away to d6. If you try and check with the rook, the king has various escape squares. Okay, let's take a look at the solution. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your rook to b4. If black decides to take the queen with their knight, you can move your bishop to f4 to do the checkmate in 2. If black decides to move their king to d6, you can move your queen to c7 to do the checkmate. If black moves their knight to e3 or d2, you can still move your queen to c7 to do the checkmate in 2. If black moves their king to d4, you can move your bishop to b2 to do the checkmate. And if black moves the knight so that it doesn't block the bishop, you have a choice to checkmate with the bishop or with the queen. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.